to another Backyard Basshead Garage on the fabled, I'm gonna start calling it the F1 Shitty, I swear to God. This truck has more electrical gremlins than the Gremlins movie. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to try to get the lift pumps working. How are we gonna do that, you might ask? Well, through a very logical... No, we're just gonna start probing wires with 12 volts, see if we get one of them turn on. Right now, as you guys noticed in the last video, if you listen, give it. Okay. The fuel pump works. The high pressure fuel pump works. That's us literally just going 12 volts right to it. And we don't want to burn out the pumps, we're not gonna do it too much. Which gives us just a smidget. As you guys know, Ford 302s, for those who don't know, have a pressure check valve right here on the fuel rail. Which if we grab a random screw, as you can see, you have just a smidget tiny little bit of fuel pressure. Why? Because
the gas inside the line.
Exactly, that's all it is. It's literally just the gas seeping out of the lift pumps. So what we gotta do, we gotta get the lift pumps working. I mean, I have to figure out which tank I need to be on, which I'm on front tank. So it says I'm on front tank, and I know front tank reads full, which if I come under here, heads up.
Silicone stuff.
Ignore it. So come under here to my truck. I need like a creeper or something nice and clean to lay on, not this stuff. Listen. That sounds pretty full to me. So what we're gonna do is we have all these random wires here. They got 12 volts. We're gonna start probing. See if I can get one of these lift pumps working. Because I have no idea what any of these wires do. So I am literally just gonna start probing 12 volts. These red wires, I gotta see where they go. Hey, hold on. When you're pulling fuel out of you, means I need to get into which means all these wires right here. One of them is for the front fuel pump. That's for the rear fuel pump. Let's see, what do we got? Okay, so it's not that one. Can you give me red? Anything?
No, nothing.
I got it.
It's just sparking at the terminal.
Nope. Fuel pump's turning on.
Really?
The lift pump just turned on.
So we found it.
I know which wire it is. Okay, so we figured out what wire front fuel pump is. It is this red wire right here.
Which one?
This one right here on my thumb.
Yeah.
Top right pin right here. Because if I go, what I'll do is I'll hold this. All I need is red wire. Okay, go red wire. Just red. Just wait for traffic. I want that trailer. Okay, red. Did you hear it?
That was in the high one?
Red? That's the lift pump.
That's a lift pump.
That's the lift pump. That's the pump I need. I mean, what I could literally do, I could literally just grab this and jump into that red wire.
So the switch doesn't work, you just hook it up to that.
Oh no, the switch does work. The switch apparently does work. I just now know what wire that one is. Okay, so this is the extension that comes on it. It's like a little wiring harness. Let me try how much feeling this. A little wiring harness here that plugs in. So you want to hold on to it? It's like it says test ECC on it. You elect test. I don't even know what the thing is. How does this thing go on? Like that? Not like that. Yes, like that.
We're not gonna use it though.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, just wait. Just wait.
You're gonna test it?
Just wait.
You're gonna test it.
I'm gonna test it. See if I can figure out which one it is, and if I can figure out which one it is, I can snip this thing off.
Take off the tape.
Let me know when I'm on red for power. Okay, keep me on power.
Okay.
Hear that?
Yeah.
Found out rear pump. Front pump's red, rear pump's brown. So we have fuel pressure.
But one bad thing.
We have a fuel leak. Which is way back there. I can see it's still
Right
spraying. Damn it.
So we need.
I gotta climb in my truck before I burn my truck to the ground. All the battery and hooked?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, that's all I need to know. Sorry, truck. Do you care if you. Where the f leaking at? Like.
I know exactly where it's leaking at.
Oh, I can see. It's like. It's not even. It's a hole in the line. It's like legit. Yeah.
It's just not in properly. Like,
can you give me like some paper towel or something? Where's the shop towel? Are they in the white truck? So where we're leaking from is, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but right back there, that little blue line right here is all soaked. That's where the gas is coming from. I don't know what the hell that is. Looks like a little face that we put in. So here, hold this. I hate being small on big engines, or big trucks. It's a little engine actually. Engine came in a lot of cars. And this thing has fuel everywhere now. Great. Welcome back on Fuel Leak 101. It's still there. We have not fixed it yet. You guys see the paper towel. Left it in the engine bay. It's starting to rain just a smidget, so, you know, perfect day to do fuel and electrical work. As you guys can see, the hood's open on the Ranger. Now, as you guys know, or you guys probably don't know, this thing doesn't start anymore. The oil smells like gas. It tastes like gas, everything like that. But it has the same size fuel lines. They're the same fittings. So, hint, hint, wink, wink, fuel line off of this truck and onto that truck. So that's what I'm gonna go do. We actually bought tools, so I'll go get them here. Be right back. We actually bought tools, as you guys can see here, fuel line, air conditioning, disconnect, oil fitting, disconnect tools, whatever you want to call them. How do they work? I don't know. There's literally no instructions on it. It says fuel ignition for lines on GM, for radio transmission lines, whatever. It says this is Ford. Literally says push it on and it just comes off. Okay. I think I need the red one. Literally like shows like the picture right here. Literally just says like, there's like you push it on, it comes off. So I don't know. Never used it before. I like old school fuel lines. I hear the rain, so literally they say put it on, should fit, yeah, just like that, and then it just does this and just comes right off. Just like that. That's actually insanely easy. Holy hell. Okay. That's that line off. I have fuel leaking on my engine. I'll be right back. 30 bucks. Literally 4 seconds to take that off. That is surprising. I like that. Okay. I'm gonna open these up now properly. That is amazing. That's great. Now this one here goes underneath the vehicle, as you guys can see. It goes right down to right there. It should be, might be, probably won't be long enough, but you're gonna try. If not, I'll use the return line for it, because that one is a lot longer. Either line. I have a line that works, hopefully. Oh, and I gotta crawl underneath my truck. I don't want to do that. That is welded. Somebody re-welded. I think I'm actually driving this truck. The more I look at it, the less I want to drive it. It's probably a good thing, actually. Alrighty. Hold that. Sweet. Okay, pull. Yeah.
I knew it.
Mount. I need vice grips. I gave you all my tools, Damien. All my tools at your place, because that's where we work on the trucks. All I have is adjustable wrench. Let her hold that all the way up. Hey, Damien.
No.
911. I need Joan. We need to get a vehicle running is what we need. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Almost. I need that fuel line. Day insert number here in editing. Here or here. I don't want to. Anyways, so today we have got a new fuel line. The fuel line we got is off of a, what year was it? 94? I believe? 94, 95?
94, yeah.
94, 95. It's right here. It has the fancy blue. It has the right size collar fitting, which is a little bit dirty. A lot of it dirty. Wish I was a little bit cleaner, but yeah, air goes through it. that tastes like fuel. Fuel and rust. So this one goes down to the hard line, which we have hose clamp and a hose clamp that's way too big. I wish we would have got smaller ones actually. Should have probably got smaller ones, but this is going to be our new fuel line from now. I mean, realistically, I could probably cut this back to like here. We only need like that much hard line on it anyways, if that. And then shove the fuel line as much as possible on, cut it down to size, we'll be good to go. But yeah, so this is our new fuel line to go from the intake back there underneath the truck. So that one right back there to underneath the truck, because we need a new one because mine's broken. And this one's a lot nicer because unlike mine that has a plastic beam, this one's braided the whole way down till it connects to hardline. So we're gonna use that. That is number 1 today. This trailer is really rusty, holy shit. And number 2 is a good day. We have new camera equipment. You guys probably saw it in a little downward angle. We have this guy right here. This here is the media mod for the Hero 8. I already opened up inside the truck on the way home. We are going to add this to the Hero today. This thing looks great. It's pretty simple to set up. Hopefully it's good. It has some minor water resistance, not made for water. Even said it in the instructions. Do not put in water, but rain is fine. Then we also got a light mod for those nights that we're in the shed or anywhere that we can't really go for. It is starting to rain. We're gonna go inside the truck, put this stuff on right now. We're gonna see the difference. Microphone swap and new microphone. So hopefully this microphone sounds good. I have no idea. I've read some reviews on this, guys, pretty good. So this one here is the light mod. We're gonna be adding this on at a later date. It is this tiny little light mod right here with the little tiny power button. Oh my god, that is bright.
Wow.
Jesus, that's gonna be, oh my god, it goes even brighter?
Like 3 stages or something?
You can get strobe.
Oh god. Epilepsy warning.
And you hold it to power it off. I am not blind.
Yeah.
There also is this little thing right here, which I believe is, yeah, like it's like a little tiny reducer.
Yeah, okay.
It's like, you know, on. That actually makes a big difference. Probably keep that on there at all times then.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we're gonna keep this guy away for now. We're not gonna bring him out yet. We're gonna bring him out more when we go like outside and some dark areas, maybe some woods when we go off-roading. But that is nice. I actually really like that. That's a lot better than I thought it was. And just charges via Type-C. So yeah, for that though, this is what we also get in the media mod, for everybody wondering. You get another like little belt or chest holder and another little screw guy. Now we have generic ones that we use because plainly I'm cheap as and it works fine. But yeah, so that's what you get all, as well. Alrighty. Well today, let's get back into that fuel line. So as you guys know, the fuel line that's in there right now is not the original one. That's the one actually off of that. It's off of that piece of shit. That right there is getting scrapped, and
So how come the vehicle that's getting scrapped has a name but this one doesn't?
it's F1 shitty.
That's what it's called now?
Like the video, I think F1 shitty is a good name for this Ford. Why is it called the F1 shitty? Because it came with, I'm not joking when I say this, I was showing the original video, has 3 extra distributors inside the cab, and I bought a brand new one for that because I didn't know if those worked. Random caps and coils, random lock cylinder, random knobs, random bolts. So I think I have 3 coils in here somewhere. Oh, that's not all. You ever think, oh, that's not too bad. That's an automatic steering column. That's between there. I think I have 3 air boxes. That is a old heater core. That's plywood from my roommate, which is now warped. That's a coolant expansion tank. There's another one there and another one there. Those are bottles, 5 cents a piece. Random tires, and a really nice headache rack, which I'm keeping.
Is that all you do?
What?
Is complain, complain, and complain.
I just get somebody else to work on my truck while I make a video.
You wanna hop in here?
Oh.
Shut up.
Do I want to hop in my truck? That's a long ass fuel line. We will trim it down, guys. Don't worry. This is just to get it fitting. As you guys know, this truck has its fair share of joy. The whole goal today is to get this truck running because I got fuel in the tank. Technically in both, but the back tank doesn't work, so I'm going to delete that. I've actually sold that tank already. Stay tuned for that video when we drop the rear tank, pull the lines out and the tank selector, and actually going to simplify it, going from rear tank or front tank, pump, filter, engine. Going to simplify that, make it really nice and easy. Damien, how's it going?
I think I got it on.
Okay. Do you wanna put that like put that feed here into the jerry can and see if it pumps fuel out of it? Ready?
Yes.
Anything yet?
Yep.
How much?
Do it again. Pretty good. No leaks.
Okay, you want to just pull the line up and get that thing out? Is that on?
Yep.
Okay, you want to give it a test for fuel leaks?
Yes.
You want to hold that? Okay, battery on. Ready?
Let me get my flashlight on my phone.
Okay. This one we need the media mod, the light mod.
Go get it then.
Yeah, let's hook it up.
Okay, we'll be right back. Here we go. Now we're just checking for fuel leaks. Go.
Okay, positive, negative. Ready?
Yeah. Do it again. No leaks.
Oh, I know what it is.
It's leaking now.
Where?
Up the filter.
The hose clamp?
Yep.
How much? A lot. Damn it. I was
You
like,
gotta tighten it down a hell of a lot more.
that's why I said you should get smaller clamps. We'll go here, ready?
Yeah.
Oh. Off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn. It's actually nice. I don't even mind that. That's actually that's bright, but it's not that bright. Ready?
Yes. It's all the way.
Nope.
You're not getting anything.
I have fuel pressure, cause like, how do I know I have fuel pressure? Simple. Where's the one?
Fuel. Is it good fuel?
I don't know.
It smells like good fuel. Doesn't smell like paint thinner.
Yeah, positive, go. Go. Take off fuel. Do I have injector power? If I have fuel but no injectors, I have to pull an injector, not pull an injector, I have to pull the power, see if I have 12 volts at it.